There's this argument raging in the world about women and the respect for women and the place of women. And all religions, to me, have faltered where women are concerned. And as long as women are not respected, as long as women are not protected, as long as women are not elevated in our thinking, we as men and our future can never be elevated. For where there is no decent woman, there are no decent men. For the woman is the mother of civilization. So how can a woman mother civilization if you deprive her of knowledge? In the Jewish story of Yentl that Barbra Streisand played a major part, she wanted to study the Torah and rabbinical knowledge. But being a woman, she was denied. So she dressed like a man, which is against the Torah law. You dress like a man, the law says kill them. Read the book. But she dressed as a man because she wanted the knowledge of God and the knowledge of Scripture. In some Muslim countries, the woman can't attend the mosque. No, this is for men. Y'all stay home. What kind of home is that? If the woman can't feed on the knowledge of God, what will she feed your children, fool? If you don't have an educated woman, you don't have an educated people, because the woman is the teacher. You got countries on this planet that deny women education. Muslim countries. You got countries on this planet that when they see a vagina, they say, oh God, I got a female, kill it. Because naturally a man is always looking for his own image. I guess that's why they call you Miss. Because they missed the man that they were looking for, and you came. So hello, Miss.